Hello students, welcome to class 6th Value Education chapter number 8th, and the title of the chapter is Our Patriots. First of all, let's see what is the meaning of patriots. Can you remember the names of any 5 freedom fighters? Yes, you are correct. Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Subhash Chandra Bose, and so on. We can never forget their contribution in getting the freedom from Britishers. Children, can you tell me when do we celebrate our Independence Day? Yes, on 15th of August. Why do we celebrate on this day? Because on 15th of August 1947, we got freedom from the rule of Britishers. This chapter is showing the celebration of Independence Day by the students. As you celebrate Independence Day in your school by participating in various activities, in various cultural programs, it was a scene of Independence Day. Some students were taking out the Independence Day rally with tricolor flags and slogans. Some of the students were in the disguise of the freedom fighters. And one by one, they went on the stage and explained their contribution in getting independence from the Britishers. One student, Nitin, came on the stage, who was in the disguise of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. With love, we call him Chacha Nehru. He used to love children very much. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad on 14th November 1889. The father of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru, was a barrister and a famous freedom fighter. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru got the opportunity to fight for the freedom and went to jail many times. His literary contributions are Letters from a Father to His Daughter, Discovery of India, and so on. Next, student Arun came with a smiled face. He was in the disguise of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first president of Free India. He was born on 3rd December 1884. He used to feel proud as he contributed in the freedom struggle with Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was grateful to the nation for honoring him with Bharat Ratna. Next student came Murugan. He was representing the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was born in Nadiad district in Gujarat on 31st October 1875. He participated actively in the Quit India movement and Dandi Salt Satyagraha movement. Because he struggled hard for uniting the princely states to the Indian Union, the nation calls him the Iron Man of India. Next student Yamuna came, who was representing the role of Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. She was born on 13th February 1879 in Hyderabad. She served the people of India as the President of Indian National Congress in 1925. People gave her the title of the first woman president. She was sent to jail during Quit India movement. Next student Justin came in the disguise of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, Odisha on 23rd January 1897. His famous slogan was, "Give me blood, I will give you freedom." But he could not survive to use Free India. He firmly believed that through arms and revolution only we will get the freedom. For that, he was sent to jail many times. The audience was spellbound to see Sanal as Mahatma Gandhi. All felt that real Mahatma Gandhi is on the stage because that student was quite excited to talk about Mahatma Gandhi. The real name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was born in Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. With love, people call him Bapu. He believed that work is worship and there should be equal dignity for all. His weapons were civil disobedience and satyagraha. Next student Haridas came on the stage in the disguise of a soldier. All were shocked to see that why a soldier is here. Nikhil sir replied that soldiers fight against the enemies and protect our country from all dangers. When we sleep comfortably, they keep watch and guard us all. They struggle hard against the terrorists and other intruders. Do you know, children, how many soldiers sacrifice their life daily? Children were excited and surprised to see farmers on the stage. Children were doubtful that how farmers can be patriots. Principal himself cleared their doubt. He told children that these farmers work hard to produce our food. If they do not cultivate anything in the field, we all will die of hunger. Children, not only the farmers, but those who dedicated service to the society are patriots as well as nation builders. For example, the doctors, nurses, researchers, sweepers, etc. are also the nation builders. Being a student, how can you be a patriot? You can become a patriot if you do your responsibilities well. If you study well, you should also give knowledge to the underprivileged. Then you can become a patriot. We should always remember the words of Saint Chavra that the nation will flourish if the family gets better. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Goodbye, students. Take care.